How to add an image magnifier to Wix. So in order to add it, you need to head over right here to your Wix app market. It can be found on your dashboard. Just head over and search for image zoom created by Widgetic and click onto this add to site option that should be able to appear from that. After once you have clicked on it, it should be able to show in here this. Just agree to their terms and condition, and then this will add this particular application to your website. So this may take some time since this will reload your actual Wix Studio. Just wait for this to reload. So as you can see, this will add the image zoom to your website. So once it's done its loading process, it should be able to be added into your actual site, and it will actually help magnify any images added to your actual site as well. So you see what that would look like if you preview your actual site. So that's how you add an image magnifier to Wix. Hope we helped.